Hi, BJ Posnecki with Inspect and Check. In this video, I'm going to show you how to inspect the laundry room. We're going to start with just working in either like a clockwise, counterclockwise fashion. So in this one, it's a small little, just a little nook area. So we're going to start with the dryers, the first component here. So I'm going to open and I'm going to check for the lint trap. I'm going to make sure that that's nice and clean. If it's not, make a note of it. Let people know, hey, we want to make sure that you're cleaning that after every load. I'm going to go ahead and turn the unit on. I typically like to turn the heat on high and then put it on a time dry and let it run, so that this way it's running while I'm in the area and I can test for heat and just make sure that things are running properly. If we have any electric near a sink like we do in this particular situation, I want to go ahead and take my tester and I want to make sure that these outlets, if they're not GFIs, they are GFI protected. So I'm going to test that, and they're not. Ideally, we would like to have GFIs in any wet location. This way, somebody's doing something with an electronic appliance or tool or something and they drop it in the water, that it shuts down the power. If I have access to underneath the floor or behind open walls, I'm going to take a look, and see if I see anything, water leaks, framing issues, any plumbing or electric. We're going to turn on the laundry tub, check that the hot and cold water is, hot water's on the left, cold water is on the right. I will leave the water running the whole time and check to make sure that nothing is leaking. As we follow around here, I see the exhaust duct for the dryer. We would like either hard pipe, or there's a different style of an aluminum pipe that is different than this, where it doesn't have these spirals on the ductwork because the lint can get caught up on the spirals. So if you see this, we want to change that out. We've got another outlet. I'm going to go ahead and test that with my tester, see if that one is GFI protected. Coming to the washing machine, I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to a warm or a hot cycle, and then just put it on a quick wash. I just want to make sure that it's working as it should. We don't really dive in too deep in appliances other than just testing them and making sure they are working. However, I will take a look. I see we've got rubber hoses. Prefer to have the stainless steel braided hoses. They just hold up better. Rubber hoses are known to give away a little bit easier and wear out a little bit quicker, where they can maybe spring a leak. Discharge pipe for the washing machine, we want to make sure that that is attached to the laundry tub, or if you have a gray box, which is a box that you may have in the wall where it has the shutoff valves and the drain all in one kit. We want to make sure that this discharge pipe is secured, because there's a lot of pressure when the washing machine is discharging that water, where this pipe could shoot out of the drain or the laundry tub and leak everywhere. So we want to make sure that that is secured. If the laundry room is above the first floor, we want to make sure that there is an overflow pan pipe to a floor drain, because if the washing machine were to leak and it's on an upper floor, it's going to leak and it could possibly damage everything below that. So if we're on the second floor, hopefully we have that floor drain. I mean, if this is a older home and there isn't a floor drain, there's really not much you can do. At least get the pan, because at least the pan will catch some of the water if it's a small load, and at least give you some time to react. The laundry area is a pretty quick one. All we're doing is just testing the equipment, making sure everything's running right, and then we're on to the next area. So I hope you guys liked the video and you found it helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. And if you need a home inspection, please give me a call. My number is 773-403-3298.